quick recording here. This is Friday morning at, I don't know, 6 or 7 in the morning. Thursday, I left the my wallet at the house, and it has my fuel card in it for the semi-truck, and of course driver's license, all that. By the time I realized, I was far away, so I went all day Thursday without my wallet, and then I couldn't get fuel for the semi-truck. So I said, okay, well, I got enough fuel to get to the yard, and then I'll just run home, get my wallet, go get a little gas can and fill with diesel and put gas in the semi-truck, fuel in the semi-truck, so that I can make it to the next fuel, because I didn't have enough fuel in the semi-truck to make it to the next fuel place, closest fuel place for the semi-truck. And if you miss one step in the if you miss one step in the day, it could wind up being almost a disaster. And then yesterday, Thursday, I had the well guy come out. I'm looking up at this little camera here, but I'm looking down at my face, but I'm looking at the camera. Anyway, so the well guy came and he fixed my well, $540. Now I've got water, but my air conditioning stopped working on Wednesday. So I'm gonna call air conditioning place today. Hopefully it just needs a good cleaning. So, and I haven't showered since, I think, Wednesday, because my water, it seemed like my water pump stopped working and stuff, and I'm just like, and I get up real early for work, all the stores are closed, I get home so late from work, the stores are closed, I can't hardly get anything. So about the fuel, so I got fuel in the gas can. Finally, I found a gas station that was open that had a gas can and diesel fuel. I had to drive all the way down by the freeway, and I was like, okay, if worst comes to worst, I'll drive to the freaking truck stop. You know, they're open 24 hours. So I managed to get, so I come back and I go to put fuel in the fuel tank of my semi-truck. We have a shop down in another town. I'll call the town W. So one of the mechanics in the shop in the town of W, he punched he broke the thing inside the fuel tank that stops from siphoning. So it's like this metal cylinder that has some holes in the bottom so that people cannot stick a siphon thing in there and siphon fuel. But he broke it, he pushed it down, so now it's dangling, being held on by a little cable onto the gas cap. So now it's a bigger opening. I mean, you know, anything could go in and accidentally fall into the tank. So these stupid flimsy freaking gas cans, I go to put fuel in there, and the nozzle broke in half, and part of the nozzle went down inside the fuel tank. So I was up for like a half an hour fighting with that thing. I have a grip tool, but it's almost too big for the hole. I got a grip of it, but then the nozzle piece is sideways, and it won't go up in the hole, so you gotta turn that nozzle piece so it'll go, and my grip tool couldn't get it. So then I went to Lowe's this morning and got a whole new grip tool, you know, and this bucket is for, I got some funnel here, and it's like, why bother with the stupid nozzles and the stupid gas can? I should have used a funnel, or I should have, like, don't even put the nozzle on the stupid thing, but because the hole for the diesel is pretty big, you know, you almost don't need to use the nozzle. But you know, you got a gas can, it's got a nozzle, you think, Put it on, we're good to go. Freaking thing breaks in half. So I gotta get that plastic piece out of my fuel tank. So, Jesus H, you know, like one thing after another. So, look at my hair. Anyway, I'm going to take up memory on my phone here. My phone complains when I make videos. So, I got to work tomorrow, Saturday. You know, I got to get this piece out of my fuel tank. And I got to get on with work. Last night I got loaded, type 3, and this place has been loading rocks into our tanks. So several of us drivers have already spent pretty much all day trying to unload this type 3 because rocks keep clogging the pipes. So I've got rocks, I've got crap in the fuel tank I gotta get out, I gotta get to work, I got my wallet, I left my fuel card in a baggie in the truck, it's staying in the truck, it's never gonna leave the truck. Alright, anyway, this is going on for a while. This is just a quick thing here. I'm in McDonald's waiting for my freaking food. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.